So guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this moment, I'll presentation about my result when I'm internship in PDA in Pemalang. But before it, I'll say thank you to Bu Cynthia for guiding me in KP course atau mata kuliah seminar KP. KP-nya aja nih, nggak ada seminarnya. So let's start the presentations. I'll share screen for first. Wait. So my project at PDM Pemalang is alat pendeteksi kelayakan air untuk konsumsi or some tools of monitoring the water quality when I'm internship at PDAM Pemalang. So my job desk is data input, IoT system improvement, and my research TA tugas akhir implementation. PDAM Pemalang is the object of my tugas akhir or last course. Anything for latar belakang, the importance of rapid and accurate water quality monitoring can be overstated, and the risk of contamination can occur during distribution, impacting public health. So, water is very important because many skin problems occur because of dirty bad water. So next is the problem. In development this system, the main focus is to ensure real-time monitoring of pH, temperature, and TDS, as well as automation of water suitability assessment using the decision tree method or algorithm decision tree. So, parameter, I use the pH, temperature, and TDS. pH in average 6.5 until 8.5. Next, temperature in average 25 until 30, and TDS is under 5 part per meter, part million per meter. So this is a pH sensor. This is temperature sensor. It's DS18B20, and this is a EDR sensor. So next, the architecture of the system integrate sensor with an ESP32 connecting to Wi-Fi, sends data to Firebase, and display information on website for user. So in website is show how about classification air ini layak digunakan atau tidak, itu bakal show di websitenya, in website. So next, development method. I use the prototyping because prototyping is very iterative. Prototype is prototyping iterative. So the development of the system is through iterative prototyping, which include problem identification, need analysis, and evaluation of each stage to achieve an optimal solution. And this is the diagram. So the start, identification, study literate is analysis for system. Choose the research method, implementasi prototyping method, is testing, implementation of system, evaluation, and finish. So this is a decision tree. This is tree of my research. So if TDS under 15 is next to pH, but if TDS not under 15 or TDS is 15 or up, it's classification to tidak layak. Jadi dia langsung lari ke kondisi tidak layak. So if pH in average 65 and 6.5 until 8.5, it's next to temperature. If temperature is average, if temperature on average 25 until 30, it's gonna be layak. It's gonna be layak dikonsumsi. Okay, next, this is my homepage of website. In here is Watrick. Watrick is the name of the project. So this is a classification result. Result classification. This is pH, temperature, and TDS. So when this data is datang, kapan data ini diambil. And next is alur kerja atau gimana kerjanya sistem, alur worknya. It starts, so ESP32 and sensor is initiated, send data to Wi-Fi, and validate. If complete, it's gonna be delay 10 seconds. But if incomplete or false, reverse to send data again. And if delay is complete, looping secara real time. It's real time looping and loop until done. Okay, kesimpulan saran. Kesimpulan is IoT is very good for monitoring quality of water. So next, I will share screen, but about my website. So wait. So this is my website. And here is classification of the water. It's Watrick, like this. This is pH, the number of 10, temperature is 29.5, and TDS in 457. Last update in 22 December. So if the quality is not good atau tidak layak, so this warning is show. Peringatan kualitas air. Start not good atau ini mulai pas nggak layaknya di berapa, lalu durasi tidak layaknya di berapa. Apabila kualitas air terindikasi tidak layak secara kontinu selama lebih dari 60 menit, maka penyaluran air akan dihentikan untuk sementara waktu. Selama periode tersebut, pemenuhan kebutuhan air bersih dilakukan melalui distribusi mobil tangki kepada konsumen PDAM Kabupaten Pemalang. And this history record of the monitoring water. And this can download the history record to Excel SX file or Excel file like this. Terang. Okay, so guys, it's done. It's complete for my presentation. Thanks for your time. Thanks to your terima kasih ke kalian semua. Thanks to your all. Sorry juga kalau misalkan Inggris saya agak kurang, or I'm sorry if my English is bad, but thank you so much for you guys. So I'll end it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys.